Today's star of the shave is subtle arts company Peppermint Cocoa. Stay tuned for a golden shave. Hi, my name is Jason. You can find me on Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today I'm doing the Razor Company Shave and Chat. And today, the star of the shave is Subtle Art Soaps Peppermint Cocoa. Wow. I hope I'm saying it right, but it sounds right to me. Well, anyway, let's go on with the rest of the shave. I'm using a Design 94 aluminum red razor and a Gillette Minora blade. I'm using this beautiful Alpha Brushworks shave, beautiful synthetic knot, beautiful red. It like reminds me of candy. Okay, I'm rambling on. A timeless lather bowl. You can tell I'm still tired. I'm a little groggy, and of course my bougie sprayer. Wow. You know me, I'm a gourmand head. I gotta get me my gourmands, and I did taste it. Let me see, look. You get more of the cocoa-y, and then the mint dispenses after a while, and it doesn't have that much of a soapy taste. Ah. So what's your favorite wintertime drink? Me, I had to get this. I said, when they had the splash, I had to jump on it. I love gourmands. There's no secret. The whole wet shaving world and non-wet shaving world knows, and I had to jump on it. And they had a matching splash, and you know me, I have to have soap splash, bomb gel, you know, the whole schmear and stuff. Heard it millions of times. What winter drink gives you a nice warm feeling? For me, it's a good hot cocoa, especially with the mint and the marshmallows. I used to put candy cane in it. Oh man, those were the days when we used to actually get snow, go outside, go on that sled. Oh man, sometimes a scent could bring you back to a time and place of your life that you were happy. I'm curious, is there any scent or any drink or anything that does that to you? Let me know in the comments. I still taste the cocoa. I know, lather is not for eating, it's for shaving. Blah, 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 blah. I keep on doing that. But yeah. Oh man, this brush and knot is so beautiful. And I'm learning more how to coordinate. Yeah, that was the word I'm looking for. Coordinate my look of the shave. Oh man, I need to take some shave of the day pictures. Yep, that's what I'm working on for the new year. And it will happen. It shall. Because, you know, each year as a wet shaver, I had some goals. I got into this hobby around 2022, but I wasn't taking it serious. In 2023, I say, look, I'm going to focus on being the best wet shaver I could be and find people. And eventually I did. In 2024 was, I want to focus on my technique. My overall technique as a wet shaver. And I did that. And in 2025, I'm like, look, I want to focus on being the best wet shaver I could be for others, but also use higher quality products. And while doing that, I'm like, look, let me start doing lives. And I started doing lives and doing stuff like this, and it's helped my mental health so much. And you know me, I'm a big advocate for mental health and how important to find the right group of people to support you in that. And fortunately, I found this beautiful wet shaving community that I call my family. But yeah, back to the hot cocoa. As I got older, it's funny, when you're younger, you like one thing, and then as you get older, you like something else. Perfect example. I used to love milk chocolate when I was younger, but as I keep getting older and older and wiser, and you know, I like it darker and less sweet. Same like with eggs. I used to like my eggs really cooked. Now, I just love that yummy runny yolk that I could dip my bread in. How about you? Has your taste matured as you matured? Let me know, please. Wow, already the third pass. I need to slow down. You know, I'm also a fast eater. If you ever see me eat, you'll say, oh, okay, yeah. I don't know if that makes sense, but I'm trying to correlate things together. Still have that aftertaste of chocolate and mint. It's a good tasting soap. Good tasting lather, technically. Ooh. Let's go for that cleanup pass. My lather today was a little wet, which is cool. You know, this soap base, a lot of soap bases could absorb a lot of water. As time goes on, these soap bases are becoming like super mutant type of soap bases. I don't know if I'm making sense. It really works. Oh, I forgot. I always love that feedback. Oh man, now I want to get me hot cocoa. Yeah, I'll probably get me hot cocoa later. Mint hot cocoa. Ooh. Let's clean up. So tell me in the comments what you like. It doesn't have to even be a food or a drink. Or maybe even looking at something brings up a memory of happiness. You know, it's very important to find that little happy place in your mind. But like with everything, you gotta do things in moderation. You know, everything in excess is not healthy. Just want to let people know that. Except wet shaving. Oh, this earpiece almost fell out. Ooh, I can't wait to try the splash. Ooh. So anybody has any goals for 2026? You know, which is funny because I believe if you have a goal in your mind, you should always try to start working it as soon as possible. Unless things are preventing you. I don't know people's lives, but I'm learning, you know, you're only promised the moment you're in today. You're not promised tomorrow or the next day or next year. You know, I'm trying to keep it real. Ooh, let me shake this baby up. Oh, I'm definitely gonna be generous with this splash. Ooh. See, I'm not kidding. If I'm gonna do something, I'm gonna enjoy it. Oh man, the mint. This is such a beautiful blend of chocolate and mint. Wow, thank you for staying to the end of this video. Let me go over my lineup before the whole schmeal. I got an Alpha Works brush and soap company brush. I got this nice little candied red with a synthetic knot. A timeless bowl, timeless razor bowl. A beautiful design 94 aluminum red razor with a Gillette Minora. My bougie sprayer. And the Star to Shave Subtle Arts Soap Company Peppermint Cocoa. Wow, if you have time Saturday, 9 a.m. Eastern Time, go to Instagram, either to the Razor Company or the Razor Company Live. You'll see 4 great people talk about wet shaving and life, and a bunch of great people in the crowd or audience, wherever. And if for all your wet shaving needs, please go to therazorcompany.com. Well, thank you for blessing me with your time, and have a great life.